Hey everyone, I just thought I'd create this hopefully short video to show you guys how to get set up with VoiceThread and how to become a pro at getting it all set up and nicely used for doing recordings. So to start from OWL, we want to click on VoiceThread here. It'll open it in a new tab or window. First time you click it, you may have to log in to your UWO stuff, refresh. Eventually you'll get to a screen here, your home screen. Yours will probably look a little different. These are all ones that have been shared with me from different students and Sexy David. The first thing I recommend doing is creating a new identity. So if you go to the top right and you click on My Identities, you should just have your name and initials here. But if you click this plus, you can create a new one. As you see on mine, I have this WELC instructors here. So what this does is it just makes it when I create a VoiceThread or leave a comment, instead of people seeing my full name and initials, they'll see this nice name and the Western logo. The logo is just one found on Google. You can do upload there. Once you have them, make sure you click on the one you want, so that's active. Then at the top here, we click on Create. Add Media. Now, one trick that Sarah A. taught us was that when you upload a PPT, sometimes it messes with the formatting a bit. You might have seen some weird formatted student ones where like one letter is on a different line. So it's best if you convert your PPT into a PDF. Upload your PDF file here. So these are my class slides. We'll just use an example. So yeah, I have PDF and PPT. I'll upload the PDF version. While it's processing there, we can start entering title and stuff. We usually just follow this format, whatever week. We'll call this week 6, reading, writing, sure. I'll name this one synthesizing, even though it's something completely else. That's about all. You can enter a description if you want. You don't have to. For playback options, I usually turn off all of these, because these let students like download or edit things. We don't want that. This start playing when open, that's fine, but if it's a video, you might want to turn that off. Anyhow, so that's processing now. As you're waiting, well, depends on what you're doing with it, but commenting is the main thing we're going to be doing. So I can't really comment on it yet because it's only one, but as it's being built, I'll show you the share function. Oh, no, never mind. Let's go right into commenting. So, to comment, you find the slide you want, you click on this thing here, it'll do a recording, your recording will pop up on the side. Easy peasy. You can navigate between slides in the lower right here, and then when you're done that, you can hit this X up here. You can delete comments if you need to redo stuff, etc. So once you're done commenting on each one, once you're happy with how things are, you want to share it. Now, there's a few ways of sharing. The way that we have it set up right now is that Anna, Sarah, Danielle, myself, would like to have access to be able to edit it in the future. So in this case, it's best if you share it with one of us. So on this screen, you can see contacts. I've had to manually add these contacts. You probably will have to do that too. To do that, if you go to the top right here, you click on Groups and Contacts, click on My Contacts, Add Contact, stick in someone here. I'll add myself. Oh, I did it backwards. I'll add myself here. Okay. Save. Boom. You can add me, you can add Danielle, you can add Sarah J, Sarah A, or Anna. Any of us will have access to that. And then, yeah, so go share, contacts, click. Key thing here, click on this edit button so that turns green. Hit share, and you're done. That's all you need to do. Now, for your own sake, if you're making one just for your class that you don't want to share with us, you want to go over to this Basic tab instead then. And depending on if you want student comments or not, you can check or uncheck this box. Usually I don't let students comment, but if it's an interactive one, sure, let them comment. Then you click on that copy link. So now we go back over to OWL, we go Module 1, Module 2 here. To put it on the page, click the plus. We want embed content on page. Post in there. Hit save. You have to hit this try other alternative once. It'll pop up this preview. Hit save. and then it's there. When it loads in, it's massive. This isn't necessarily a bad thing, but looks a little weird. So if you click this edit up here, you can change the size. I've been doing 800 by 600, just like that, which makes it a bit more reasonable. Danielle does 900 by 600. Other people do other sizes. You know, play around with it, make what you want. And that's all you need to do there. You guys really won't have to do this step with the ones you're creating for content to share with us, but if you want to use your own, you can do that. And yeah, that's about the extent of it. Yeah, hopefully that makes everything nice and clear and you can figure it out. Let me know if you have any questions.